So second day, first full day at sea. We just came back from a trivia, and they fixed our bed, and this is our first towel animal. I thought they would put these up during the day, but I guess they leave them down. So yeah, these are the beds, and then there's Abby out on the deck. And you know, we got this all completely full. These are the ducks we're hiding. These are these ducks we found. These ones are from the arcade. And then I did get magnet hooks because someone recommended them, and definitely love them. So we have like the hats up, and then I brought that from home just to organize some of the stuff. And then Buddy's hat's over there, just so like the bathroom doesn't get so cluttered. There is a lot of storage room in the bathroom, though. I am happy about the size of the bathroom. So top shelf is Abby and Haley, and then there's more storage shelf down there. So for a cruise ship bathroom, it's definitely bigger than I expected. So yeah. And then we did unpack all the suitcases. So I've got like, I'm gonna turn this light on. So here's one closet, and then here's the other one. So that's got all Abby stuff, all Haley stuff. One second. And then on this side, we've got Buddy stuff and my stuff. All right, hold on a second.